Okay, so Woody's gonna come over and eat. Oh, he's above my head now. Let me try to get a spot where everyone can see. This is Woody the woodpecker, our rescue. Okay, come on, to your cage, right here. Fly it over my head. Where'd you go? Right here. Come on. Come on if you want your food. And he likes to eat. There you go. Come to your spot. And he likes to eat his super worms. He's been released for a couple weeks now, but he likes to come home and eat. I smush their heads so they don't bite him. I'm a little mothering. They're super worms. I know, you hungry, monkey? You hungry? You want mommy to feed you? Huh? Let's see, can you see? Where is he at? Look. Okay, maybe I'll put that there. And he can... Come on. Come here to eat. Come on. You gotta come back over here. You wanna eat? You come here. You done? You gonna eat or you coming over here? You gotta come over here if you wanna eat. Come on. Over here. Okay, come over here.